tonight. It's Wednesday, March 30.
March 30th. March 31st.
March 31st. And today is the day Drake has been waiting for the longest time since he found out this movie was going to be...
2 years ago.
2 years ago. We are going to have a movie night on Wednesday.
And today is Wednesday.
Yeah, because that's what I just said. Godzilla versus Kong.
Mm-hmm.
Lincoln's not going to watch it with us until tomorrow morning because he's going to talk through the whole thing. And Mr. over here doesn't want nobody bothering. No side commentary, nothing. So we're going to see how the movie is.
And then I was so excited for it.
And AJ's excited for Drake. He made him a Godzilla.
Because I made it for him. And I'm so excited for the movie.
Yeah, we're all excited, even Danny. So I'm doing this because I'm not allowed to record anything on my phone. So peace, chicken grease. See you later. So we're going to have a little sleepover in our room because there's thunder and Lincoln is terrified.
Is this still with thunder?
Yeah.
He just screamed in his room as he was going down for bed, crying that he was afraid. I mean, they're loud here in Virginia. The lightning is super loud. But it's not even raining. It's just thunder.
No, it's raining.
I can't hear the rain.
It's very light rain.
Yeah, but also when you go down, it gets louder.
Are you scared, puppy?
It's like sleep.
Are you scared of thunder?
Yeah.
It's like sleep.
Shh, listen.
Shh.
Come grab your pillows and your blankets.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Come on, Lincoln.
He doesn't want
Go
to.
get your blankie.
Yeah.
He already has his blanket right
Let's
here.
go get your cuddle stuff. Come on, I got you. You want to hold my hand?
My cuddle.
Are you guys comfy?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if there's lightning, just hug each other.
Is it gonna be thunder?
That's a cookie too.
You're gonna hug brother, okay? Hug. Oh, you're so cute.
You can lay next to you like this. Where's his iPad?
Lay down, lay down. Your mom needs to give you more time.
Mommy. Oh.
Didn't it die?
No, it died because it goes down for the night. You good with that blanket, Drake, or do you need a bigger one?
I did.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
You're right next to Drakey. You're right next to Drakey.
Look, I got you. Look.
You don't want to sit next to Drakey?
I got you. Look, we can watch yummy videos. You want to see them eat the yummies?
Yeah, only
Let's watch them eat the Squidward.
You just gotta comfort him and tell him it's okay.
Yeah.
They want to Ruby.
Since he's right next to you.
Look.
Do this.
I was telling Danny
I did this.
a long time ago, like when Drake was little, like when we have our kids and there's gonna be thunder and they're all gonna end up in our room because of the thunder and they're scared. Now they're all staying here with us. We're all having a little sleepover because Lincoln, mostly Lincoln, he's terrified of the thunder. He says it's scary and he literally just cries like something as bad is happening to him. It's not scary, baby.
He wants to watch TV.
No, we're not watching TV, okay? We're going to go down to sleep in a bit. It's just crazy how we talked about this years and years ago. Now they're here in our room. It's cute. I think it's adorable.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
The next morning.
Good morning. Today is Monday, March 12th. I have a dentist appointment today to get 2 root canals done. I had a Valium last night because my anxiety is not doing okay. Danny's gonna take me to the doctor because I have to take another Valium an hour before, to calm my nerves. I'm not looking forward to this. I'm scared. I've had bad experience with my,
And then
what was it? My wisdom tooth taken out. They said it's not the same recovery, but I'm traumatized.
and also
We are on our way to go take me to the dentist to get my root canals. I'm so scared. Danny's taking me. I already took my Valium, and now I'm not driving. I'm just here because I just turned the car on. It's a little cold. But the boys are going to be with Danny today. Danny's in charge.
and then my mom's gonna take me to the park.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
Anyways, we're all going to... I can't even talk. We're on our way. So, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. There's a lot of bees out here. Like dinosaur bees. The pollen is bad. Let me show you. Look how bad the pollen is. Can you see the pollen? My car's black. You can see it. It's so bad.
You way kind of Blakey! Yay!
Eras AJ.
Okay.
I can't feel my nostril. I can't.
Mom!
Blink.
Mom! AJ, wait, AJ.
You're fine.
I'm fine. I can blink.
Mom! Mom, are you hysterical?
No, but I can't smile. This side is numb.
Dad, is Mom hysterical?
Do I have to go pick up medication?
You want to see me smile?
Mommy, how come you're not doing the thing with your eyes? Mommy, do this?
I am.
She can't. Her mouth can't move. Yeah. Okay. Mommy, can you move your mouth?
I can't.
Why?
All of this side is numb.
Pop.
And she's like, it's gonna smell like it's burning. So I don't know if she burned my tooth or what. So far the experience was good. It wasn't scary because I obviously took Valium. But my jaw was on fire. They had put the thing on the side to keep my mouth open.
Yeah. Hold on, babe.
Mommy, Mom, look at me.
What's up? What is it?
Mommy, do this. Mommy. Mommy, can you move your eyes?
Yes, I can move my eyes.
Mom, can you move your eyes? Mom, can you move your eyes?
It's numb. I can feel it. It's just numb.
Okay.
Literally, like, on my right side is numb.
Mommy. Mommy,
So what?
can you move your mouth?
Yes.
You said no. You
I just know I'm gonna get a headache from the
You're
TMJ.
not.
From my TMJ. It hurts so bad. I'm saying, like, they put the thing in.
Yeah.
But since she was, like, basically, like, doing so much pressure on my tooth, I had them take it out because it was excruciating. I had to put pressure and just press it down every time I'd open it.
What'd she say about that?
And she's like, I'm so sorry. We're almost done. So I just kept holding on. She's like, do you want us to put that thing back in? I'm like, no.
You need to get that checked out, babe. Because that's not natural for you to have that for the rest of your life. Okay, so did they prescribe you anything?
No. She says I can take over-the-counter medications,
Okay.
Tylenol.
Do we have
Advil.
Tylenol extra strength? Enough. Because for the next
No.
5 days, you have to take 3.
No, I only have the headache ones. We don't
So
have...
you don't have Tylenol extra strength? Okay. So I'm going to take you home. And then I can go to like Rite Aid or something and get that. What else? That's it.
I could just drink smoothies. Well, we don't even have bananas.
I can go and get all that stuff, babe. What else? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I need the phone number for your dentist.
It's Gentle Dental. It's right here. Ah, no está de... Ah, son un poco.
Okay, well, got it. Gentle Dental Center?
Yeah, Holland Road.
Yep.
Yeah. So it has to be within next week, not this week, the next week when the landscaping is getting done.
We're calling Dental Holland Road.
Numb. Danny went to the store to get me some extra strength medicine I have to take over the counter because I'm going to be in pain. That's what the dentist said. I feel sleepy, drowsy, tired from the Valium. I wasn't as anxious anymore. But I feel like so out of it. So we'll see how it goes. So keep y'all updated. The boys are in the back. Being good boys. So we'll see when we get home. Just had a nap. My tooth is throbbing, my jaw. It's just painful. It hurts. Yanni made me a smoothie. I can't really eat. I have an appointment next week for them to fill. Put a crown on it because one of my teeth is cracked, and if I don't get that fixed by next week, it's gonna get worse. So far, I'm feeling just tired and loopy. Again, they had my jaw open for a long time and it was hurting. So that gave me a headache. I'm about to take some extra strength Tylenol. So, keep you updated. Here I am drinking my coffee. Y'all probably think I'm being a little too much with this root canal, but I feel like I've been chewing for 2 days straight without stopping. And it hurts. It was throbbing yesterday before I took some good medicine and I was able to sleep. But this morning I woke up with a little bit of a headache and it kind of hurts. I just took ibuprofen, so I should be getting out of bed soon. So far it's not that bad. It's like a filling, but with my TMJ it's bad. It just hurts no matter what. I can't keep my mouth open that long. Like it pops and it just hurts so bad. Anyways, I will be downstairs soon. Danny's been taking really good care of me. He got AJ ready for school. He made Drake breakfast. He got Lincoln up. No complaints over here. So it's about 2:30 and I feel a lot better. I'm just trying not to yell or anything with my mouth because it does kind of. Stop touching, please. Let's go. We gotta go. We gotta go pick up your brother. Nope, leave that coin alone. No, you can't have coins. Come on, we gotta go. You want to go pick up brother? Let's go pick up brother. Let's go. Let's go. Leave that alone. Let's go, baby. Bye. I feel a lot better. Come on, let's go. We gotta go. Leave that there. Leave it. Lincoln, let's go. Danny went to go pick up groceries. I'm going. Come on. Danny went. Danny went to go pick up groceries. He went to go pick up groceries. Grocery pickup, Costco. I can drink cold, hot. I couldn't do that before. It feels amazing. I'm excited to eat cold stuff. Like ceviche. I couldn't enjoy ceviche because it was too cold. Lincoln, we gotta go. Come on. Hurry up. He's on my vanity doing makeup. Papi, let's go. I'm leaving. Bye. Vámonos. Vámonos. Lincoln. Gosh, it takes forever. Bye. Let's go. Okay, geez. Come on. Daddy went to go pick up groceries. No, not goldfish. Groceries. So, we gotta go pick up your brother, okay? Daddy might go pick up goldfish, okay? My house is a mess. Okay, your daddy went to pick some up. My house is a mess because obviously when I get sick, no, we gotta go pick up Drake, AJ, walking. No, we're gonna go walk. Okay, well, y'all, I gotta get going because this kid is not gonna let me vlog. He's gonna cry. It's gonna make me look bad. Peace. Today is the 3rd day after my root canal. I woke up with my jaw hurting. I'm in so much pain. I have a huge headache. Need to eat something so I can take my ibuprofen though. But today the boys only have half day. I know as soon as I take my ibuprofen, I'll be fine. But I just checked my gums and everything. They're still sore. Yesterday it hurt just to even touch it. Same thing today. But yeah, again, my jaw just hurts because my jaw popped, and I was just in so much pain. I feel like I can't even talk. But yeah, today's the third day. I have a headache. My jaw hurts. It's sore to the touch still. But I gotta eat to take my medicine so I can feel better. And I have to take Drake to go get more crickets for Dilly. It's getting bigger. He might need a new enclosure sooner than we thought. That's basically it. Like, I haven't been vlogging because it's been so hectic here. I've been watching my friend's kids because she just gave birth. That whole week was hectic, and then until Sunday, and then Monday I got my root canal. I was able to record. I don't want to record her kids without her permission, but I feel like my house hasn't been cleaned properly the way I clean it. But we're getting landscaping done next week. And then the week after that, we're getting our floors in, all new flooring. So I'll be able to vlog that. Yeah, yesterday was it was an okay day. Danny didn't go to work. He didn't let me do anything. But then again, I feel like I had to get my body up and running because I don't want to get sores on my butt. Anyways, I'm gonna make my coffee, get something to eat, and then I'll come back. Here's my breakfast. I don't really like Jell-O. The reason why, if you're wondering why I got a root canal, 2 root canals done, is because every time for the past year or so on this side, every time I'd eat anything cold, hot, it was so sensitive. It's like I was biting down on metal. They didn't think it was infected. They didn't think that it was a cavity. I guess just over time, my tooth just was like, whatever. You're not eating on this side. But I have to go get a crown next week because one of them is cracked. And I can't eat on this side still because I don't want it to get infected, and it was way too much money. So I'm extremely careful what I eat. Danny made fajitas yesterday, and I didn't get to eat any. It looks so good. What was I going to say? Oh, he made fajitas yesterday, and I made him guac because he likes how I make it. Add a little bit with crackers. I want to say that's why my jaw hurts, because I had to do some chewing, even though it was soft. But I feel like that's why my head is hurting and my jaw. I don't know. But the dentist was so nice. Like, she was so nice to me. She called me yesterday to see how I was doing. She made sure that Danny had instructions to everything. She's like, I'll give you a call the next day, see how you're doing. I was like, okay. I didn't think she was going to call me, but she did. And I told her it just felt amazing. I could not even swish mouthwash in my mouth because it hurt so bad. I would cringe. It was just the worst feeling ever. I could not eat ice cream. I couldn't eat ceviche without enjoying it because it's cold. If I bit into hot something, it hurt. When my coffee gets cold and I drink it, it hurts. I always ate on this side, never on this side. If something touched it, I was done. I was done eating. But it's fixed. I guess with having TMJ, it takes a little bit longer to recover, just for the fact that it hurts real bad. If you have TMJ, if you know what TMJ is, you know it's not fun. Sometimes I can't even bite a burger. You know how big burgers are? Like, I'm like, I have to cut it in half. I have to cut it with a knife, eat it with a fork. Stupid. Oh, I swallowed that one. Mm. One thing I did want to say, since I know some of my viewers oh, that tastes weird. Jello and then coffee. To my son Drake. He also has a YouTube channel. He has 2, I think. Drake Productions. I just checked this morning, or yesterday, he was like, Mom, I have 200 subscribers. I was like, wow, that's very impressive. I'm so proud of you. This morning, I checked again, and he has 230 subscribers on his YouTube channel. 230. It's very impressive. If you don't know, he does animation. He'll do a video here and there, I think on his other channel, of like his life or whatever. He shows his bearded dragon, Dilly. But he's reached 230 subscribers, yo. Like, that's amazing. I only have 19. I mean, and I show more human than he does. I'm very proud of him, though. He's committed, literally, every day. Oh, hold on, I'm dizzy. He's very committed. He's very committed, and his animation has gotten so much better than it did years and years ago. But I'm so proud of him. So if you don't follow him, follow him. I'll put his link in the description so you guys can follow him and see his animation skills. But I'm proud of him. And his brothers, AJ, he's like, oh, what a YouTube channel. That boy is banned. He be watching bad stuff on there. I've restricted him. Anyways, yeah, that's what's been going on. I haven't. Oh, I left your titi that way, Bubby. I'm gonna get your titi, okay?
Okay.
Oh, there it is. Ta-da!
Yay!
Thank you, Mom.
Dear Mom.
Oh, I thought I took my pill already. Yeah, so, like, my carpet's so disgusting. When we moved into this place, it was, like, white. It was, like, white. I don't know, an off-white carpet. Gotta slow down. But with the kids and their drinks, especially Lincoln, mostly Lincoln for sure. Kool-Aid, there's stains on the carpet, and it makes me feel disgusting. I feel gross. So we're getting the carpet removed, all the flooring. I don't know if you can see that nasty color in the kitchen. Then we have wood flooring over there. Excuse me. We have wood flooring, so everything is getting removed. Everything's going to finally match. Yeah. I'm getting a headache. I gotta let y'all go because it's just throbbing real bad.